up, guys? So we have some deeper gouges, scratches. I don't know how good that's coming up on camera. Looks like something just brushed across it. A lot of these you can grab your fingernail on, so I'm just gonna improve them. The only way to make these go away 100% is you're probably gonna have to repaint it. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna go hit it with my 1200 grit sandpaper, dry. So everything I'm doing right here is gonna be dry. And I'm actually gonna sand. I'm not gonna really touch much on this one because it's right on the edge. I'm just gonna go ahead and start sanding all these. Stay away from these edges. I don't wanna burn through. Tend to have a lot less clear coat. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to town. So nice and slow. I'm not really using a ton of pressure. And I am using 1200, which is pretty aggressive. But I just want it so I can just touch it. I don't have to like use a ton of, go over like different strokes. I just want to hit it, knock it down enough. Really light hit. Okay, so there we go. I just did just like a quick pass on there with my 1200. I want to clean it up. So the rule of thumb, once you put water on there, water is going to act like clear coat, so you're not going to be able to see it. So right now, just by spraying water, if you want to come in here and look at it, that's how you know. You can do that with just regular polishing. Just shoot some water on there. If it dissipates and you can't see it, most likely it's going to polish out. So you can see right here, none of that's going to polish out. So just clean it up real quick. So 1200 grit. Went ahead and done that. Now I'm just going to switch to my 2000 grit and then my Rid stick. Same thing, I'm just going to go dry on it again. I'm going to go over like 2 passes, cross hatch. Like I said, I'm not going to get it out 100%. So I just want to make sure that I don't bust through. So now it's smooth, so I just feathered out my 1200 grit and just made that a little bit bigger. Bigger area, so you just don't have a bunch of flat spots. You kind of always want to feather out. So if you're sanding a spot that big, you want to feather it out to about a quarter size. So you don't want to just spot sand anything without feathering it out. Otherwise, you're going to see these grooves. Your grooves, you always want to make that nice pattern to eliminate any type of flat spots in your actual wet sanding. All right, so what I did now was I did 1200, 2000 grit, GM paint. It's really, I'd say softer paint. And then this is actually compound I've been like testing. Use it on anything. So go ahead and hit my pad. Let's go to town. So I'm using my Rupes 15, 5-inch. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and hit these edges, hit right up to the edge and work this whole area. This paint's really bad. It has tons of water spots, water etching. So we're gonna do a lot on this. So, all right, cool, let me check it out. Start at 1 on a flat spot. Get my prime on there, evenly compounded on there, now hit it. Anytime I'm polishing on edges like this, I wanna hit it flat. I don't wanna go like try to contour the edges, or even, I don't really wanna go like that. Kind of butt up, kind of hit that flat, and don't put pressure on these actual edges. So right off the bat, I know this isn't gonna come out 100%. All I'm trying to do is minimize it and just bring it back to life so it doesn't catch your eye. I'm actually gonna switch to a different pad. This is actually really aggressive. I'm gonna go to another pad. So this one's a little bit more finer. Yellow wool polishing. Just gonna get this back on there nice. Sweet, sweet. All right, went ahead and finished polishing, getting all my sand marks out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down and you can just see the after look. right off the bat, I was saying this before, that it's not gonna be 100% out. But you can look. Like, you don't really even wanna go more than that. Cool, so what I did was 1200 grit sandpaper, dry, 2000 dry rid stick, nice and flat, stay inside of these lines, inside the body lines. Just really light, just go over it, get the nice scuff. Then I polish it with my cordless DEA, Rupes, and then I use just a regular polish cutting compound we're just trying out. That's customer pleasing results, or even for me, I would love that. I don't want to repaint my panel for that, even put paint touch up on it, it's just not gonna look all that great. But you already know, Born Detailer, we're full effect. Peace out, guys. Bam.